Dear students, today we are going to start with the new topic of chapter number 4, that is wildlife trade. In many parts of the world, wildlife is in danger because of many illegal hunting and poaching activities. There are animals which are being killed because their body parts are used by humans. Many animals living on the earth are endangered, which means they are at a very high risk of becoming extinct. This is mainly due to the fact that humans are destroying their habitats by cutting down trees and also hunting them for their body parts. Various items are made from their body parts and sold in the market. This illegal hunting of animals for their body parts is known as wildlife trade. Let us discuss some dangers involved in wildlife trade. We come across many items in our daily lives which are made from the body parts of animals. For example, many jewelry and decorative items are made up of ivory or tusk. And as you know, tusks are elongated, continuously growing front teeth of an elephant. Sea turtles are picked from the oceans by the poachers who sell them for high prices at unregulated market places. A poacher. A poacher is someone who catches and kills animals illegally. Besides hunting animals for making jewelry, decorative items, and selling them at higher price in the market, they are also used to make medicines. And it is believed that some diseases like arthritis, gout, and food poisoning, it is believed that they are cured with the horns of rhinoceros. So, rhinoceros horns are processed to form a powder to make various medicines. Apart from rhinoceros, bears from North and South America are smuggled to different countries to make medicines from their gallbladders. Means they are hunted for their gallbladders, and with this gallbladder they are making medicines. And this Chinese alligator and this musk deer, they are also smuggled for their skin. And the musk deer is not only hunted to obtain medicines but also to obtain kasturi, which is an ingredient used in many perfumes. You can see the picture of civet and North American beaver. They are also used as an ingredient in many perfume items. People from all around the world hunt animals for different purposes. Hunting animals for their flesh and body parts is very common. Caviar is one such delicacy which is made from the unfertilized eggs of fishes and snails. Another famous delicacy is frog legs, which is widely consumed across the globe. And it is estimated that about 200 million to 1 billion frog legs are consumed each year. Donkey cheese or Pule cheese or just Pule is a cheese made from the milk of Balkan donkeys from Serbia. Can you tell that how many tigers are left in the world? There are only 3,200 tigers left in the world. The future of these species is threatened by hunters and destruction of their habitats. Tiger skin is used to make clothes, decorative items, and their claws and teeth are used to make jewelry. And not only these tigers are hunted for their skin, some other animals like goat, snow leopard, sheep, kangaroo, and snakes, they are also hunted for their skin. So, we should also stop using the things made from the body parts of animals. Let us discuss some facts about wildlife trade. Pashmina. Pashmina is a fine variety of wool which is obtained from the fur of Pashmina goat and mountain goat. Between 35,000 to 50,000 African elephants are poached every year. They are hunted for their tusk. Approximately 28,300 freshwater turtles are traded each day. 3 rhinos are poached every day. The world population of tigers has fallen by 95% in the past century due to poaching and hunting activities. Leather is a material which is made from animal skin and it is used to make shoes and bags. Now let us discuss some points about protection of wildlife. We hear of cases where monkeys are troubling people. They often take away things from their houses. Sometimes we hear of leopards and tigers having become man-eaters. So we should realize that they are doing so because man is destroying their living areas by cutting down forest. So protection of wildlife is very important. Wildlife plays an important role in balancing the environment and provides stability to different natural processes of nature. Earth is not only our home, but it is also the home for many other animals. And if this continues to happen, then many wild animals will disappear one day. And many food chains will be affected, and this is a very important reason for protecting wildlife is that they form an important part of many food chains, and if they are killed, many other animals in that food chain get affected. So we should take measures for protecting the animals from being hunted and traded. Government of India enacted the Wildlife Protection Act 1972 with the objective of effectively controlling poaching and illegal trade in wildlife. To protect the Wildlife Protection Act has been enacted in 1972, and the act was amended in January 2003, under which punishments and penalty were made more strict. So, many national parks and sanctuaries were built over the years to protect the animals from various dangers. So, it's our responsibility to behave sensibly towards the wildlife. Thank you.